15 Stunning Japanese-themed tabletop miniature indoor gardens. Welcome to this video showcasing 15 beautifully crafted Japanese-themed tabletop miniature gardens, each thoughtfully designed to bring tranquility, elegance, and serenity into your space. Whether you're a fan of Zen gardens, koi ponds, or peaceful bamboo groves, these miniature gardens offer a slice of traditional Japanese beauty right at your fingertips. Displayed on wooden trays, each garden features intricate details like bonsai trees, stone lanterns, cascading waterfalls, and peaceful koi ponds. These gardens are not only stunning visual pieces but also provide a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and mindfulness. In this video, we'll explore each concept, offering inspiration for creating your own miniature Japanese oasis. Stay tuned to discover how these gardens can transform your home and bring a sense of peace and balance to any space. Idea number 1. Serenity in the Zen Garden. This miniature Zen garden evokes tranquility and balance with its carefully raked sand patterns forming serene, swirling designs. Smooth pebbles are scattered around the tray, adding texture and representing stones found in traditional Japanese gardens. Tiny bonsai trees, with meticulously pruned leaves, add a sense of life and harmony to the scene. A small stone pagoda sits gracefully in the corner, adding a touch of traditional Japanese architecture. Bamboo elements, delicate and finely detailed, complete the garden, lending a sense of peace. Displayed on a simple wooden tray, this miniature garden invites you to pause and reflect, offering a slice of Zen right at your fingertips. The minimalistic design, enhanced by the wood's natural tones, creates a calming atmosphere perfect for relaxation and contemplation. Idea number 2. Cherry Blossom Garden. The Cherry Blossom Garden is a celebration of spring's fleeting beauty. A miniature cherry blossom tree, with delicate pink flowers in full bloom, dominates the scene, embodying the spirit of Hanami, the tradition of admiring cherry blossoms. A small koi pond reflects the pink petals floating on its surface, with stones scattered around the water's edge, adding texture and depth. Tiny traditional Japanese lanterns line the garden, casting soft, warm light. A gentle stream meanders through the garden, its water flowing quietly over smooth stones, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. Set on a wooden tray, this miniature garden creates a sense of peaceful elegance and timeless beauty, bringing the essence of a Japanese spring garden right into your space. Idea number 3. Japanese Moss Garden. This Japanese moss garden captures the lush, verdant beauty of a traditional moss garden, often found in Kyoto's temples. The tray is filled with soft, vibrant green moss, creating a dense, lush carpet that evokes the peaceful quiet of a Japanese forest. Small stone lanterns are nestled within the moss, their weathered texture adding authenticity and charm. Miniature bonsai trees, pruned with precision, add height and life to the scene. A small wooden bridge spans a tiny stream, its gentle flow enhancing the serenity of the garden. Displayed on a wooden tray, the moss garden offers a tranquil escape, bringing the essence of Japan's most peaceful natural landscapes into your home. Idea number 4. Bamboo Forest Retreat. The Bamboo Forest Retreat invites you into a miniature, tranquil escape. Tall bamboo stalks, rendered with exquisite detail, tower over the tray, forming a lush green canopy. A small stone path winds through the forest, leading to a peaceful wooden bench where you can imagine pausing for a moment of reflection. At the edge of the garden, a tranquil pond is home to tiny koi fish, their vibrant colors adding life to the scene. The pond reflects the bamboo, creating a calming, mirror-like effect. Displayed on a wooden tray, this garden is an invitation to relax and reconnect with nature, offering the soothing ambience of a bamboo forest in the heart of your home. Idea number 5. Traditional Japanese garden with pond. This traditional Japanese garden features a serene pond at its center, surrounded by smooth pebbles that reflect the beauty of the water. Small stone lanterns are placed strategically along the edges of the pond, casting soft light on the scene. Pristine bonsai trees with delicate branches add elegance to the garden, while a traditional wooden bridge arches gracefully over the pond, offering a sense of tranquility. The miniature stone pathway leading through the garden invites you to explore each peaceful corner. Set on a wooden tray, this miniature Japanese garden exudes timeless beauty and calm, evoking the elegance and balance found in classical Japanese landscapes. Idea number 6. Japanese Zen Stone Garden. The Japanese Zen Stone Garden offers a minimalist yet deeply meditative space. Neatly raked sand forms concentric patterns that represent the flow of water, symbolizing the idea of harmony and balance. Smooth, rounded stones are carefully placed across the sand, adding texture and visual interest. Small bonsai trees with perfectly pruned branches bring life to the scene, their leaves contrasting against the smoothness of the sand. In the corner, a traditional Japanese tea house sits in quiet contemplation, offering a moment of serenity. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature Zen garden embodies the essence of simplicity and calm, inviting peaceful reflection and mindfulness. Idea number 7. Japanese Rock Garden with Pagoda. The Japanese rock garden with pagoda creates an atmosphere of tranquility and reverence for nature. Large, irregular rocks are carefully placed to evoke a sense of balance, with raked sand forming swirling patterns around them, symbolizing the flow of water. A small stone pagoda stands as the focal point of the scene, its tiered roof adding a touch of traditional Japanese architecture. Miniature bonsai trees, pruned with precision, add a sense of natural beauty and grace. Displayed on a wooden tray, the simplicity and elegance of this miniature rock garden bring the essence of Zen into your living space, offering a quiet sanctuary for contemplation. Idea number 8. Japanese Tea Garden. The Japanese tea garden evokes the serenity and mindfulness of the traditional tea ceremony. A delicate tea set sits nestled in the corner of the garden, accompanied by tiny stone lanterns that provide soft, ambient light. The garden is alive with miniature flowers, such as delicate cherry blossoms and irises, adding color and fragrance to the scene. A koi pond with tiny, graceful fish swirls at the edge, adding movement and life to the peaceful setting. Set on a wooden tray, this miniature tea garden brings the quiet elegance of a Japanese tea ceremony into your home, providing a place for calm reflection and ritual. Idea number 9. Japanese Bamboo Zen Garden. The Japanese Bamboo Zen Garden captures the essence of Zen philosophy, combining the calming presence of bamboo with the quiet wisdom of a stone Buddha. Tall bamboo stalks rise gracefully from the moss-covered ground, their slender forms creating a sense of peace. A small stone Buddha, serenely seated in the garden, adds an element of spiritual tranquility. Bonsai trees, perfectly pruned, add natural beauty to the space, while a tiny wooden bridge arches over a gentle stream, enhancing the sense of harmony. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden invites you to find inner peace and quiet reflection, offering a meditative retreat in miniature form. Idea number 10. Japanese Rock Waterfall Garden. The Japanese Rock Waterfall Garden captures the majestic flow of water through a serene landscape. A cascading waterfall flows gently over smooth, polished rocks, creating a soothing sound and atmosphere. Pebbles, arranged with care, form natural pathways through the scene, guiding the eye through the miniature garden. Tiny bonsai trees with perfectly shaped branches add a sense of life and artistry to the scene. A small wooden bridge arches gracefully over the flowing water, adding a peaceful touch. Set on a wooden tray, this garden brings the tranquil beauty of a Japanese waterfall into your home, offering a calm and refreshing escape. Idea number 11. Japanese Meditation Garden. The Japanese Meditation Garden is a peaceful, calming space designed for reflection and mindfulness. The tray is filled with smooth pebbles, arranged in a way that invites contemplation. Bonsai trees with delicate, pruned branches add a natural focal point, while a small stone bench provides a place to sit and reflect. The raked sand patterns, perfectly symmetrical and simple, create a meditative atmosphere that encourages quiet introspection. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature meditation garden creates a sense of tranquility, offering a quiet sanctuary for moments of calm and relaxation. Idea number 12. Japanese Koi Pond Garden. The Japanese koi pond garden brings the beauty and tranquility of a koi-filled pond into a miniature space. Vibrant koi fish swim gracefully through the clear water, their orange and white scales reflecting the soft light. Water lilies float peacefully on the pond's surface, adding color and texture to the scene. Stone lanterns are placed around the pond, casting a soft glow that enhances the peaceful atmosphere. Bonsai trees and smooth pebbles line the edges of the pond, creating a natural, serene environment. Displayed on a wooden tray, this garden offers a calming oasis, perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of water and the elegance of koi fish. Idea number 13. Japanese Tranquil Bamboo Garden. The Japanese Tranquil Bamboo Garden offers a peaceful retreat, featuring tall bamboo stalks that sway gently in the wind. A small stone pathway winds through the garden, inviting you to explore its serene beauty. Bonsai trees add life and form, their branches perfectly pruned. A tiny waterfall cascades over smooth rocks, adding both sound and movement to the scene. The garden is displayed on a wooden tray, which enhances its natural feel, providing a grounded sense of harmony. This tranquil bamboo garden evokes the essence of the forest, offering a peaceful and calming atmosphere that makes it perfect for quiet contemplation. Idea number 14. Japanese Garden with Pagoda and Lanterns. The Japanese garden with pagoda and lanterns captures the beauty of traditional Japanese landscaping. A charming pagoda sits at the heart of the garden, with its tiered roof and intricate design adding an architectural element to the scene. Stone lanterns are strategically placed, providing soft illumination in the evening. Bonsai trees, carefully pruned, surround the pond, which mirrors the beauty of the landscape. The water adds a sense of serenity and stillness, while smooth pebbles form pathways through the garden. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden brings the elegance of a traditional Japanese garden right into your home, offering both beauty and tranquility. Idea number 15. Japanese Forest Grove Garden. The Japanese Forest Grove Garden offers a peaceful slice of nature, with tall trees that create a tranquil canopy above. Moss-covered stones add texture and age, evoking a sense of timelessness. Small stone statues of ancient creatures are hidden throughout the grove, adding an element of mystery and spirituality. A peaceful pond reflects the beauty of the forest, with tiny ripples distorting the reflections of the trees and statues. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature forest brings the serene atmosphere of a Japanese woodland garden into your home, offering a tranquil and meditative space to escape into nature. That's all the 15 stunning Japanese-themed tabletop miniature indoor gardens ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more ideas like this.